City Trail's 10 miles, yeah. Were you trying to say that you want me to sign up for the City Trail? Oh boy. All right, so it's a big day. First day with the GoPro. A couple of things I'm still figuring out. I got the chesty going. Trying to camouflage it a little bit in my jacket. Got to figure out how I want to use all the attachments and go quickly from like the chesty to the other handles and stuff. So right now I'm recording on my phone. Familiar territory. Actually, I thought I was recording on my phone, but I pressed stop and not record. So I'm on the iPhone, got the chesty going, trying to figure out, well, I'll just play around with the different accessories, how I'll start filming stuff. But first day with GoPro. Hopefully it's looking smooth and cool. Got a lot to learn about it. Off for a little hike.
You know what I bet I could do on a scooter now?
What?
A hill.
Yeah.
I always thought it would be super hard. And like, it would really hurt if you didn't do it right. And it probably would. But I think I could do it right.
Is this baby bear?
Yes, this is Baby Bear. We are ascending Baby Bear. Right there. Miss Noel said that Coach James moved into the area and he's been doing Baby Bear, Mama Bear, Papa Bear. So this is the top of Baby Bear.
So then what do you usually do?
Turn around at the tree. So it's a partner ladder.
You always got first.
Okay, wait. So then you turn around, you go back down.
Yep.
And your partner goes to Baby Bear and down, and then you go all the way over here.
You go all the way to Mama Bear and back.
Yep.
And then Papa Bear and back.
And
Okay.
Papa Bear
Mama
back.
And then Baby
Sounds
Bear and back.
aggressive.
And then
Yeah. So you ladder up, you ladder down. You have a rest period in between each one.
I don't think we did it.
You can really build your own workout out of it, Amy.
I like it. It's one of my favorites.
I do too. It's like the perfect distance.
Yeah, I agree.
You know
For-
what the distance is to the spot?
No. But it just feels like you can be challenged without like shutting down the entire time.
Yeah.
You can run Baby Bear super fast.
down.
Well, yeah. Depends on where you're at, but you can run Baby Bear
Top of
super
Mama Bear.
fast.
Yeah.
And then you can push yourself to Mama Bear and run that pretty fast. This is the top of Mama Bear.
You
This
turn
is
around
always
right
the
here.
killer for
Turn
me.
around when you're...
When
Turn-
you're going to Papa Bear,
Oh,
it's like you just got up this hill and then
You're
you
like,
go up.
oh, we got a nice flat section to rest on Papa Bear. And then you go down this hill.
What's that awful hill? That
Yeah.
goes like, this is where, oh yeah, this is where.
This is the hill you go up now on the ski trail, and they eliminated
And
the finish of Papa Bear
Oh, on the ski trail?
on the ski trail because I think it's too dangerous. That's what somebody told me that.
You gonna see the owls?
Oh, owls.
Oh, good.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Babies.
Oh my goodness.
You see them right there? The
Yeah.
mama owl,
Yeah.
and then there's a baby in front. There's actually two babies in the nest.
The more downy ones.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Next one.
They're so huge. What kind of owls are they? Do you know?
Great horned owl. Very cool.
Sweet. Have to come back and look at that nest again.
I know. It's
It
pretty fun.
looks like they put some work into it, so they'll probably be back. That's awesome. And the frogs are out.
I know. It's total nature day.
Cool.
Thank
You too. See ya. Thanks for pointing that out. Okay, shall we run it? Here we go. Oh, it's a killer. Come on, Amy. Right here. Oh. In the past, we've skied up this, but it cuts, there's a Y. You can see it from here, where it goes through like the bog, not bog, but the prairie. And then it curls up.
So this is the top of Pop there?
Yeah. Traditionally, I say this stump is the top of Papa Bear.
Wait, how many minutes did it take you guys to run from the bottom all the way up?
I don't know.
Huh? 1 minute all the way to the top here?
3 minutes.
There's the pond. See if we can spot the wiki up. See how it's doing. A lot of good materials around here to work with. Oh yeah, I see it. Boy, those frogs are really singing. I really want to see a frog. Okay, so I'm about to test out the waterproofness. Just saw a frog jump in here, maybe we can see it. I'm a little freaked out. Uh-uh. All right, so test number 1 complete. Let's see how that worked out. Okay, so This is called a time warp. It's a pretty, looks like it's actually a pretty good feature. It's way smoother than some of the walking and running I did. So far, I've been testing out, well, this footage has been showing different camera settings. One of the things I pretty much know I do not like is the traditional or classic GoPro fisheye lens. But you can, it's got like digital lenses, so you can switch to linear ones that don't have the distortion in them. Going over this, it felt way taller than it looks here. But yeah, that underwater shot was really cool. That was definitely money. One of the things we're going to have to figure out is the workflow from getting the footage off the camera into the computer, how to store it, how to edit it. It's pretty hard on editing software to go between different formats, and I was switching to 1080p, 2.4K, 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, through all these different settings, so it's definitely something I kind of have to figure out so that I can make it easy to do editing.
They were saying the games were going to be delayed because once you get two teams together and spectators and coaches, you get past a group of 50 and just don't allow. So I don't record us.
I'm recording.
You're recording.
I know. I'm doing different things here.
So with tennis, there would be less than 50, and with adventure camp, and then so there's also been another thing where there's been a suggestion of like having less than 10. And with adventure camp, you can have less and
Here's a good illustration of, even though it feels like the trails are nice and hard and good for biking, they're way too soft right now. It's tempting. It looks like it's good, but it's not. So we gotta wait till they open.
So I'm about to run up this hill, and the chesty, at least in this setting I'm in, is really boundy when it comes to running. So I'm gonna have to do some testing on that. Maybe a different mount, head mount or something. Or I have actually no idea what setting I had it in, because I was just flipping switches and doing all kinds of different things.
Just figured out that I can just pop the quick clip off the chesty and do a little easy selfie cam sort of thing. So that's a nice little thing I figured out. There's all kinds of technical and, I don't know, certain things I need to figure out. Okay.
I think what Ranko was saying about Northwestern is you probably wouldn't have a starting position, but I don't. How does college baseball work then? Is there like, is there just one team? But I'm saying, is there one team, or do they have like a?
I don't know, actually. I should ask Luke. I'll text him.
Okay, so this is kind of an interesting little experiment. It's the regular footage with a 4X fast forward applied to it. Interesting.
Like, I think it'd be a good idea. And you can still come out after 4 years of school and like start a career.
All right, we're back at the car. It was a nice, little shorter walk. I didn't start my tracker till about halfway in, so as we all know, half of that hike doesn't even exist anymore. I'm just kidding. It happened. See how the footage looks when we get it into the laptop. Okay, so it was a good test day. A lot to learn. One thing that I definitely have to do is clean up my workstation. It's a mess and it's hard to think and be organized. And I'm going to really have to be more organized with all this new equipment. But I'm excited for what's to come.